These highlighters are really pretty. I love the different colors. They are really nice. So you can see there are these muted kind of pastel-y type of colors. If I take them out, they have this really nice case as well. If I take it out, I can show you how it looks. It's got this really nice, like a chisel point, and you can see the tip. Really nice there, and the color is really great as well. The really great thing about this one, I think, is sometimes when you have a highlighter, like, you can't get the top to stay on, and I like that you can easily get this top to stay on the back, and it's really comfortable. The square grip is actually really comfortable in the hand, and they highlight really nicely as well. Show you something that I highlighted already. So this is what the color looks like on the page. So that's this color, and it's very, very pretty.
Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.